Hi guys! In today's video I have collaborated with Apolari Cakes and I want to show you one of the most amazing recipes ever. So easy. It's a chocolate brownie sundae with loads of chocolate sauce, chocolate brownies, chocolate cream and vanilla cream. This is a showstopper and will impress everyone. Now let's go ahead and make this. First thing we're going to do is add cold whipping cream, or you can use double cream, into a deep pot, and we're going to whisk this with an electrical whisk on sort of slow to medium speed. You want to go around in the circles to make sure you add as much air as possible. Then we're going to add our icing sugar, or powdered sugar in America, and whisk everything one more time. You want to increase the speed to high now and keep going. This process probably takes around 5 to 7 minutes depending on your whisk attachment and your cream. Now you can see the cream is still a bit liquid, so I'm just going to whisk this for a few more times until it's slightly harder. And there it is. It should look just like this. Make sure you don't over whisk the cream or it will turn into butter and split. Now we're going to set this aside and separate it into another jug. I'm going to use half of the cream for vanilla and then half of the cream for the chocolate filling. So I will be using these for the recipe today, and you can check them out guys on their website, and they do a lot of homemade British treats which I absolutely love, and sometimes when I don't have time it's perfect to just order them and make delicious easy desserts. Just look how moist they are. So I've just broken them into pieces and we're going to set them aside. Next, I have melted my dark chocolate in a microwave. You can also do this over the double boiler. And I'm adding half of the chocolate into my cream mixture. Then you want to mix everything together. You might want to wait a little bit for your chocolate to cool down. I was a bit impatient, so the cream has started to set faster, so make sure your chocolate is nice and cool. It won't affect the taste, trust me. So we're going to set this aside. Next, take your mason jars or any glass jars where you're going to serve your chocolate sundae, and I'm dripping some chocolate all over the glass, and I want to make sure there's chocolate on the sides, inside, at the bottom, and I'm going to shake it a little bit to spread it nice and evenly. Then you want to pop your chocolate brownies inside. I'm adding about 3 pieces, and they're sort of bite-sized pieces, so it's nice and easy to eat. Then add your vanilla cream. And you want to spread it nice and evenly and press inside. This way you will kind of cover the glass jar as well as make it look super pretty and tasty. Then you want to pop a few more chocolate brownie chunks inside. And I love it. I love chocolate, so this is like my to-go dish. Super easy to make and only takes like 10 minutes or so. So add more vanilla cream and then just spread it around. And I like to tuck inside and make sure it's nice and even. And this is how it looks. Look at that. We've got chocolate vanilla brownies and it's so pretty. Lastly, add your chocolate cream on top, and you want to press inside again to squish it all over. And look at that beautiful chocolate color. So you want to just press into the mason jar as much as you can so you can fit a lot of your cream inside. And don't worry if you have any left over, you can just eat it later. And I'm decorating with a few larger chunks of chocolate brownies on top. Lastly, you can add more white cream just for the, just for the appearance, and add some more melted chocolate. And there we go, guys. Feel free to serve that with a straw just for decoration reasons, and enjoy it with a huge spoon. It tastes absolutely amazing. It's very rich, very indulgent, but it's totally worth it, especially if you're having it on a Sunday. And make sure you